In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make a blog on WordPress. If you're just getting started with WordPress, don't worry. This process is very simple, and once you've done it once, creating future blog posts becomes much easier. In this walkthrough, we're focusing on the basic publishing flow so you can go from opening WordPress to having a lead blog post online. First, go to your WordPress dashboard. This is the main control center where you manage your site, create content, and make updates. Once you're logged in, you'll be able to access all of the tools you need to build and publish your blog post. From the dashboard, click on New. This option is used whenever you want to create something fresh on your site, whether that's a page, a post, or another type of content. Since we're making the blog entry, this is the quickest way to begin. After that, click on Post. In WordPress, posts are the content type typically used for blog articles. They're designed to be published in chronological order, which makes them perfect for news updates, tutorials, opinions, or any regular content you want to share with readers. Now, enter a title for your blog post. Your title should clearly tell readers what the post is about. Try to make it direct and easy to understand, because this is usually the first thing people see. A strong title helps organize your content and also makes your post look more polished and professional. Next, add your content. This is where you write the main body of your blog post. You can type your ideas directly into the editor and build out the article section by section. Keep your writing clear and readable, especially if you want visitors to stay engaged. It's a good idea to quickly review your text as you go, so you can catch any small errors before publishing. Once your content is ready, click Publish. This is the step that makes your posts live on your website so visitors can see it. WordPress may ask you to confirm the action, so just proceed with publishing if everything looks correct. And that's it. You've successfully created a blog post on WordPress. The overall process is straightforward. Open WordPress, create a new post, add a title, write your content, and publish it. If you plan to blog regularly, repeating this same workflow will help you stay consistent and efficient. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.